And yeah, that's all. This is after marinated. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, Guys, I forgot. I've already added pepper and onions. I've grinded my pepper and onions. I have onions at home, so I didn't have to buy onions. So, and also I have crayfish at home. But this is just grinded pepper and onions in my meat. I use it to boil my meat. So I'm going to season it by putting my seasoning cube and salt only for now. Locust beans, so that the whole flavor will come out very well. Okay, it's time to pour my meat and fish this stock since it's fried. It's not supposed to burn. Just this. I've been raining in Lagos. Fish. This is 2,000 worth of okra. Let me open it. I was testing the soup. I just went for my dental appointment like yesterday. When our soup is ready, it's not supposed to cook for too long. Yeah, that's our okra soup. My inverter charge controller is bad. That means sun is not charging our batteries, and the lights in this my area is terrible. My freezer has not been on. Well, and this kitchen socket is the only socket that works fine, so that's why I'm doing my editing stuff to charge my laptop. This is the only socket we can use to charge anything, and I just plugged my phone to my laptop. And then we have our walkie-talkie. I don't know if you've seen that video. This thing works. Hello? My sister, hold on. I dey come. Hold on. This walkie-talkie thing works. Let me show you how it works. Let me communicate with my son. So when you hold, this is where you can put it on. This one, yeah, you just slide it on and off. So it's on now. As you can see, one red light inside. It uses AAA battery, and let me communicate with my son so you guys will hear it. So I have to hold this down. You know the normal over. So I'll hold this down and he will hear me. Then he will reply me. So let's try it out. Dafeluwa, what are you people doing? Why is he not answering me? Dafeluwa.
Yes.
What are you people doing?
I'm doing fine and I'm hungry.
Didn't you just eat? What is what is your hungry?
Don't know what you said. I cannot hear you.
I said, didn't you just eat?
The long are very hungry. The doctor is saying food.
I'm coming.
Okay.
You guys hear it? I'm so excited. I don't have to be screaming all the way from the dining, because it's quite a distance actually from my dining and kitchen to the room. It's quite a distance. And I don't have to scream for him to hear me and pass information. So yeah, that's what's going on. I said, let me update you guys. Let me call my sister back. Let me just start exporting this video. My dental appointment is on Monday, and that's when I'm going to pack. That's when I'm going to do what? My dental appointments. I need to buy some things in the market because of my birthday. My birthday is on the 11th, and I need to buy stuffs in the market. September children. I need to buy things in the market, cook, and you'll see that video. You'll see what I want to do. Then I need to buy half carton of fish, and then when we go for our dental appointment, that's when we'll pick a school gift. They usually give them this end of term, end of the year. So it's entering into a new class. So they usually give them gifts. They've given them school bags. They've given them a whole complete set of flags. And the school bags are actually solid. In fact, that's what most of the children are even taking to school. That's what my son too carries to school. So we don't know what they're giving us this time. Can't wait to sit down. Now I'm planning myself. Anyway, I just thought to give you a little bit of updates and to tell you what's going on in my life right now, as usual. As usual, because why not? We're vloggers. Hey guys, I'm talking about my life. I'm talking about a lot of things. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me quickly do some work.
Yeah, I said that you confused them. That you know this street. You want to branch in the other street.
I don't know about that street. I said second street. You go the branch for that street.
It is saying that person in the other for this street.
Okay, so you get customers that
that woman will get.
Somebody not okra.
Oh my goodness, of course. So there's some messages here. This one says, good morning. Sound of the plating air or gas.
Why is your own mouth making noise for this food? Eat carefully, my friend. You close your mouth while
Good
eating.
morning. Well done. Congratulations. But I promise you, all of these guesses were valid, especially the gas.
Head southwest on Bayo Shodipo, Ikorodu Road.
See what they're watching. See what they're watching. Let me see. Hey! Let me see, Mama. Oh, chaka, chaka, chaka. Yeah, let me see.
So the feeling is important. Yeah.